Hello guys, welcome back to the part 9 of my YouTube channel. In this video, I will going to show you on how to use the data tables in Admin LT3 and also the menu navigation access restriction between admin and user account. Let's go and follow me. In this area in our user page, we need to make this simple table to have a search, pagination, and row option in table. Open your text editor and select Users, PHP. Add ID inside the table tag. And open header PHP inside our Elements folder. We're going to add here a links and scripts for our data tables. Just follow me. Open Assets folder, Admin LT3, Pages folder, Tables folder, and select DataTables. We're going to select and copy only all the links and scripts intended for data tables. Just follow me. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will keep updated to my video tutorial. Thank you. Paste the code here in header PHP and align the code. Just follow me. Copy all the script here intended for data tables. And paste right here. Just follow me. What I am doing right here is changing the path of my library script where it's being located. And after that, we need to add a script function for our data tables. Let's add an ID right here for our data tables. And let's call it an example one. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will keep updated to my video tutorial. Thank you. Copy the ID example1 and paste it in our ID inside our table tag. Refresh the page and there we have it. We have a number of row entries, a pagination, and a search bar right here. And as you can see, whatever we search, they display automatically in real time. That's how data tables library script works. And now let's open Sidebar PHP. In here, we're going to create a if condition for the menu navigation access restriction between admin and user. Example, Only the administrator can access the user's page, while the user cannot access the user's page. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will keep updated to my video tutorial. Thank you. In this case, we need to try the user account to log in. Let's see if our codes is working. And there we have it. In user account, only the dashboard menu can be accessed. Let's try to add another menu navigation right here. As you can see, we added a new menu outside our if condition, and it's showing. So meaning, all the navigation that we are going to add inside our if condition based on the user type cannot be shown if the user type is not equal to administrator. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video tutorial. So what are you waiting for? Use now the lorem-php framework. It will help you to guide as a beginner. A lorem framework is fast and easy to understand. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will keep updated to my video tutorial. Thank you.